In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Gumtree. If you want to update your Gumtree password for security reasons, or simply because you'd like something easier to remember, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your browser and go to the Gumtree website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, especially if you're entering account information. This helps keep your account secure. From the homepage, click on the menu option. This will open the main navigation area where you can access your account-related settings. If you're using a mobile device, the menu may appear as an icon, while on desktop, it may be more clearly labeled. Either way, this is where you'll start managing your profile details. Next, click on My Details. This section contains your personal account settings and is where Gumtree stores information related to your profile. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Edit Password and click on it. You'll now see the password update form. In this section, type in your current password first. This is required to confirm that it's really you making the change. After that, enter your new password and then type it again in the confirmation field to make sure there are no mistakes. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique. Try to avoid using easy-to-guess information and make sure the password is something you haven't used elsewhere, if possible. Also, type carefully in the confirmation field so both entries match exactly. Once you've filled in your current password, your new password, and the confirmation, click Continue. Gumtree will then process the update and save your new password to your account. After that, your password change should be complete. If the site shows any error, double check that your current password was entered correctly and that your new password matches in both fields. If needed, just re-enter the information and try again. And that's all it takes to change your password on Gumtree. Keeping your login details updated is a simple but important way to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.